Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my smothered chicken legs. Yes, indeed. My kids used to love smothered chicken legs. They weren't too fond about the chicken thighs, but the chicken legs, oh, they was crazy about them. This is a southern dish that's smothered. Anything in the world has a smothered dish that you might want to try, but I want you to try my smothered chicken. Yes, indeed. What I have right here is chicken legs with black pepper and salt. I'm going to let this sit for about maybe 2 hours so the salt and the pepper can penetrate the flesh of the chicken so to make the chicken taste good to the bone. Yes, indeed. Now, what I do, I pepper my fish first. Excuse me, y'all. I cook so much fish. I love fish. Let me get that out the way. But what you do is black pepper your meat first, and then you can trail it with the salt. They said, what you mean trailing it with the salt? See, when you got the black pepper on there, you trail it with the salt. Where the black pepper lands, that's where you land the salt. Just like this. See, just like that. So your chicken won't be so salty. Your meat won't be salty because you're trailing it with the salt. This is Sandra. I'll be right back and show you what next to do. But after 2 hours, we're going to let this sit and marinate in the black pepper and salt covered. And we'll be right back and we'll show you what to do next. The oil. Right there, y'all. That's the oil. And we're going to let them get golden brown and we'll be right back. All right. The chicken been cooking on one side for about 10 minutes. And what I'm doing is turn it over. And we're going to turn all of them over. And then when we get to turn them all over, we're going to do the next step. So right now we're turning them all over and we'll be right back. All right, the chicken is done on both sides. It's not all the way done inside because we're going to let it smother. I'm saying about 10 minutes on each side, it will be great. And what we'll do is pour all the oil and left just a little crumbs right there. Just a little crumbs, just enough oil and little crumbs. So what we're going to do now is add the flour. So the pan that we had the flour in, we're going to add some bouillon powder. You know, the one I like to knock. We're going to stir this all together, and we're going to pour it over the chicken. We'll be right back. All right, I add the onions and some more black pepper on top, and I'm letting it simmer, and it's going to take at least 20 minutes to get that thickness what you want, and that's going to be perfect. They can add any ingredients you want to this dish if you want. Bell pepper, celery, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, celery, garlic. Whatever you like, you put with this dish. But I'm just using onion in the old-fashioned southern way. I'm going to put a top on and let it smother for about 15-20 minutes and be right back. All right, I smothered chicken and smothered. We smothered about 30 minutes until it got to the thickness that we want. So I'm going to get me a chicken leg out of there and put it on these mashed potatoes. These mashed potatoes right there. I made some mashed potatoes, y'all, right there. And I'm going to add some more gravy on top of it, like that. And that's my dish right there. All right, this is our end result of our smothered chicken legs. Yes, indeed, I show you how to do them. It's so easy. When you learn how to cook, you just do it with, like, the action. You don't just try to make it hard. Let's make it easy. Just make it easy. And I'll show you how to do the easy way. You flour your chicken. You season your chicken. You let the chicken sit for a while so you can get that seasoning to the bone. Then you fry it. And you turn it over. And then you add that rest over powder, the flour that you use, and add water and a little bouillon cubes and pour it on it and let it simmer, put onions on it, and that's it. This is how I'm going to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel and getting these recipes. I'm going to show you how tender this is. Look how tender that is. Ooh, my goodness, look at that. This is wonderful. This is one of the old Southern South smothered chicken, and I use the chicken legs because my kids love the chicken legs. They weren't too crazy about the thighs, but I was. So in order to make them eat, so I do the chicken legs. This is the same. I'm going to tell you happy eating. Again, thank you for coming to my channel. And always go to my website, soulfoodqueen.net, and get some recipes that you might have not seen and the one you have missed.